Welcome back to Cyberfellow channel. Today we will know how to install kalilinux in VMware workstation. Open any browser, search VMware, then go to workstation player, download from here. When you press this, it automatically starts download. I already downloaded it, but I'm showing you how to download, that's all. Then type kalilinux, then go to first link, then press downloads. Now go to this virtual machines recommended. My architecture is 64-bit. According to your architecture, you can select a bit 32 or 64, and you also have an option to download normally on a browser or in torrent. I already downloaded it. I'm just showing you how to download it. Okay, then after downloading, install the VMware. Run as administrator, then press yes. Then press next. Accept the terms and license agreement. Next, 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 next. Install. Then click on license. Don't worry, I will give a license key in the description. I am telling first only, guys, please don't give space. If you give space, it will not work. Then enter, finish. Now I will extract the Kali Linux, extract to Kali Linux 2021. It's extracted. Okay, guys, files are extracted. Now open VMware workstation. Then click on open a virtual machine. Then select where you downloaded or extracted the files. Select this, then open. Then click this play startup. Press I copied it. It automatically installs everything. I'll maximize the screen. it take some time. Guys, it came. The default username and password will be Kali, Kali. Then press enter. Boom. Now the kalilinux is ready to use. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.